Thank you for watching Storytime Corner with Mr. D. If you enjoyed today's adventure, like, comment, and share this video with all your friends. You can join me and all of our friends weekly here on Facebook Live. And don't forget, you can rewatch this video and enjoy our stories at any time at your fingertips on demand. Follow Mr. D here on Facebook and on YouTube for everything Storytime Corner. Want to help out? You can be a great help by donating to the show at the platforms below and help us continue to produce entertaining content for our little ones.